Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok chat messages limit reached. You will not be able to send messages to this user. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your TikTok messenger, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys, after going to back you have to open your settings on your iPhone. And guys, simply you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After doing this, you have to go back, open your TikTok app, click on your main profile icon, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, and guys, click on here is the option of free up space. And guys, you need to clear cache and clear downloads as well from this free up storage on TikTok. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back, and guys, simply you have to open your TikTok app again. And guys, simply you have to log out your account and log in again after a few minutes, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, I've still not fixed your problem. If you have remember your login, simply you have to uninstall your app and install it again, and after this your problem will be fixed. And guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, simply you have to wait for 24 hours. And guys, after 24 hours you will be able to do messages to that user on TikTok easily. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.